Hi folks, seems to be Patty Maroney night tonight. This is another request from Patty. This is a duet, but not with Laura. This is a duet with the Pirate Rum over here, which I'm drinking out of my Curious George jelly glass. This is very necessary for this song. This is also a request from Mark Vigilio, so I thank you both very, very much. I am standing up for this one and drinking my rum because I have to. Well, each morning I get up and I die a little, and I can barely stand on my feet. Take a look in the mirror and cry what you're doing to me. Well, I've spent all my years in believing you, but I just can't get no relief. Lord, somebody. You know, this is the part everybody always sings along when I'm in a bar. So, Laura, somebody. Can anybody find me somebody to love? I work hard every day of my life. I work till I ache my bones. At the end of the day I take home my hard-earned pay. Oh, on my own I get down on my knees and I start to pray till the tears come down from my eyes. Oh, somebody, can anybody find me somebody to love? I work hard every day, and I try, but hey, everybody wants to put me down. They say I'm going crazy. They say I got a lot of water in my brain. And no common sense, nobody left to believe. Got no feel, I got no rhythm. Just ask my brother. I just keep losing my beat. I'm okay, yeah, I'm alright, and I ain't gonna face no defeat. I just gotta get out of this prison cell. Pirate rum. One day I'm gonna be free, Lord. Can anybody find me?